everyone, let's dive into the common mistakes people make while writing resumes and how to create an ATS-friendly one. First off, avoid using fancy fonts and graphics. They may look good but can confuse applicant tracking systems. Stick to standard fonts like Arial or Times New Roman. Second, never use vague job titles like Guru or Ninja. Instead, be clear and concise. Third, keyword stuffing might seem helpful but can actually hurt your chances. Use relevant industry terms naturally within your experience and skills. Remember, don't include personal info like age or marital status, as it's irrelevant. Now, here are some top tips for an ATS-friendly resume. Tailor your resume for each job application by matching keywords from the raw description. Use standard headings such as work experience and education to make it easier for ATS to parse your information. Finally, save your resume as a .docs or PDF file and ensure every section is clearly defined. Following these tips can significantly improve your chances of getting through the initial screening and landing that